begin right now. So I request all of you guys to send the kids over here. Parents, you guys can... No, what are you here for exactly? Science show, but I've been hosting a cooking show for a while. Since last week it has been a cooking show. Now, well, dry ice and water. No, it's not. Do you want to see how it looks like? Let me show that to you. I don't know what this is called in Telugu. What is it called? Garite, is that right? We call it Sauto in Kannada. Look at this. Does that look like dry ice to you? Liquid nitrogen. So, if it is liquid nitrogen, how did it become liquid and how are you in your life? Yes? Have you guys seen the movie Beauty and the Beast? Some of you have. You know the story? Do you know that there's a cursed rose in that? Yeah, have you seen the cursed rose? Do you want to see one? Look at this. Are the petals falling off? It's pretty still dead, right? I'm gonna give it to Mr. Tomato. Hold it for me. Now we have another rose. Thank you. And this is still pretty? And it's a little more alive than that. Should I kill this too?
Yeah.
No? Oh, you're all good people then. But I'll do magic with this. Let's say I'm gonna turn this into something magical.
It's gonna become like glass.
It's gonna become like glass? Are you sure? I'm pretty sure it will be a rose still. It's gonna be frozen. Doesn't this look beautiful? You know the word I used, mesmerizing, was for this. Isn't this really beautiful? Yeah? Now, should I kill it? Come to the part to kill it? Okay, let's listen to it carefully, okay? It is chips. As you said, it's frozen. But we had a frozen rose already, right? Yeah? The frozen rose?
Chips.
Should I kill this also? Let's
Yes. No, not now.
You hear anything? Nothing?
Please.
Not at all? Okay, It's coming back to life. How big was the balloon before it started? I don't remember. It was so big. It's like a sword. Hey, it will not blast now. I'm holding it. Well, it came back to life completely. Yeah? But what happened? See, it's what happened? He's Mr. Ginger. You can call him Nickel Limple, and he doesn't like me for some reason. Do you all believe me that I can bounce this and catch it? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Boo to you guys. Now, Hey. Okay, we'll see that. Let me bounce it. And I caught it. Boo to you. I caught it. Now, this is a rubber ball?
Yes.
Correct? And rubber ball obviously. He is. Okay, I underestimated him. But, oh, it's smoking still. Now, why did it break? Smarty Pants, why did it break?
Because it was way too cold.
Because it was break. Of course, I've been telling that. But it was rubber, right? Call it the dragon breath. Do it again. Now, we can give one to the mom. Look at his nose again. Yes? That what Kinosuke from Demon Slayer? I'm not into anime, but I